So we made a lot of progress. So this is the progress on day 3 of the excavation. So it's going to be 32 by 40, and those are the pieces of equipment that are being used to do this excavation. Eventually that is going to be tapered so it's not a sheer wall, so I won't have to put up a retaining wall. It's also 4 feet set back from the dimensions of the garage, so it's not quite as deep as that. It'll give me access all the way around. And this is the view from the top. This whole area over here is going to be tapered, so that will end up right here. We'll have the hill back, and you can see that the fill-in goes all the way to the front. That's my project over there, Dirty Harry, my 67 Mustang. And this is going to also be filled in. There's the old taper, and this will have to be tapered as well. 3 days to get this far. It may end up being a 5-day project.